and gentlemen, with our flight on the way, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to everyone on board. Special welcome goes out to our OnePass members. You'll be earning valuable miles today for your trip to Stockholm. If you're not yet a member of the OnePass program, you may join by doing so online at Continental.com. My name is Cliff Jennings. I'll be a flight service manager on board. I'm here to answer any questions pertaining to this or any Continental services. Working along with me is another 5 award-winning international flight attendants from our Newark base. Once we get to a cruising altitude, our flight attendants will be through the aisle with a meal and a beverage service. Immediately thereafter, we'll be coming back with a beverage service and a duty-free selection. The duty-free magazine may be found in that seat pocket in front of you. For our customers in the main cabin, alcoholic beverages are available to you for $6. Continental is now a cash-free airline, so we do accept credit cards, debit cards, or Continental coupons. At this time, we invite you now to recline your seat and enjoy the 7 hours and 20 minutes flight to Stockholm. Welcome aboard.